Okay, just a quick overview of the Slice library. So the Slice library is kind of the same idea as the Apple Loops library, except for I'm not bundling a bazillion different loops like Apple. This is really just for you to, let's say you want to use the amen break over and over and over again, or you have a particular sub bass or something that you like to use a lot in your projects, and you don't want to have to remember where it is each time. That's what the Slice library is here to help you for. So normally, when you start up, you're in the groups, and it looks like this. There's a little button right here that says library. This is your Slice library. So let's say I go to the top here, and let's say you want this Apollo. Okay, so I could just select it, drag it, bring it on over. There it is. Okay, so there's the Apollo. You can play it right there. Simple enough. I'll show you this part in a second. Now, let's say I don't have old school. I don't have that one in here. So those disk scripts are full. So I'm just going to kind of go to the bottom here where I have some space. I'm just going to drag. Boom. There it is. All right. So pretty straightforward. Drag back and forth. Now, one other little bit is this information here. So there's a little gear icon right there. You can customize your categories. You can re-index this if you need to, and you have auto detect. Look, here's the deal. On the auto tempo, auto key, auto time, I put very little effort into this. It's just I just use some basic tools out there, some open source stuff, and said, hey, try to figure out the tempo, try to figure out the key, and how what's the time, right? So again, don't get mad if you're like, hey, it's giving me the wrong key. Okay, I'm putting like zero effort into the algorithm for that. It's just trying to give you the basic idea. So you can either just do it individually, each one, or you can just say analyze all missing metadata. So let it do its thing. I'll try to make it when you drag a sample in for it to automatically scan on when you drag it in. I'm not doing it at the moment, but I'll add that in as one of the enhancements I need to do. So there we go, reanalyzed, boom. Now we have the time, the BPM, the key. You also can, gotta make it, that scroll bars make it so it's hard to hit the little star, the little favorite, but there you go. And I gotta add the sort back to the top. Oh, and actually, I'm gonna show you one last thing, which is you can right click, set category. So maybe make that a bass. We'll make this one melodic, whatever. You get the idea. Okay, so that is your Slice library. You also have that, by the way, when you are in the Slicer tool. We also have the Slice library right here. So same thing. And you can see it carried over, right? So it has all the information. It literally is pulling the same code. So it's already categorized. So that's the idea. We need to add some slices. There we go. So one other thing with the Slice library, when you're in the Slicer tool, you can actually take one of the slices from here and add it into your existing sample or loop here. When you do that, you have tempo issues, right? So you can make this like this weird vary speed thing. You can attempt to try to time stretch it. You can just don't conform, just keep the original tempo. You'll have to play with this to see what kind of results you get and what works best for your particular application. But I'll just hit apply. Boom, there it is, adds at the end. So anyways, that's the idea. So you have your Slice library you can go back and forth on either of those, so you can keep reusing certain parts in your projects. Hope that helps.